Hey, I received your gift today.
You did. Do you like it?
I love it. It's exactly what I wanted.
I'm so glad to hear that.
How did you know to pick this?
I remembered you mentioning it once.
That's very thoughtful of you.
I wanted to give you something special.
You really made my day.
That's what friends are for.
I can't thank you enough.
Your happiness is thanks enough.
I'll treasure this gift.
I hope it brings you joy.
It already has.
Are you going to use it soon?
Absolutely. I'm going to use it this weekend.
You must tell me all about it.
Of course, I'll call you.
I look forward to it.
Your kindness means a lot to me.
I'm just happy to see you happy.
You're a great friend.
And you're an amazing one.
Let's get together soon.
I'd like that very much.
I'll plan something fun for us.
I'm excited already.
Thanks again for the wonderful gift.
You're very welcome.
It's not just the gift, but the thought behind it.
That's what counts, right?
Absolutely. You're the best.
So are you. Enjoy your gift.
I will, thanks to you.